Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I am the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning. Just finished co-teaching a masterclass on influence and persuasion with Oxford professor Owen Derbyshire. Guest speaker Alessandro De Luca, CIO of Merck Healthcare, who talked about influencing and office politics. Let's listen to some of the key takeaways from participants on this fascinating topic.
I think it's something going together. You have to identify what kind of behavior you have to adjust and make sure you understand the right technique at the right moment.
It's fundamental. Basically, it gives really the chance to bend the decision-making process into a direction that is chosen before and that is actually worked on during the influencing process.
So I had a clue doing the self-assessment before the training and it's confirmed my first impression. I have to listen more carefully and to be more open-minded and to really ask questions to understand the other's point of view, and I think this is a key success for me.
What I learned about myself is that I tend to focus most on pushing strategies instead of pulling. And I need to actually watch out, and actually what I've written in my change plan is that I want to focus more on inquiry strategies.